And we are back for another very exciting tutorial. I'm your host Brantley Ping, and we are going to go wicked fast because I know how smart you guys are, and we are basically going to create the same thing we did up here in the front and put it in the back. So just as review, let's see what we created at the front end for our opening logo. Hey everyone. Okay, we want to take this and recreate it over here. Now what we can do is save some time, which I know that we're all about saving time because time is money, time is life, and we only have so much of it. Let's go ahead and just, instead of reinventing the wheel, let's just copy and paste our clips to the end. So I'm going to click on our lower layer, which is the light leak, Control or Command C. Come over here, Control or Command V for paste, and there it is. And we'll just go ahead and butt that up against the end of my video piece. Let's do the same thing for our Cut Yeti logo. Control C, Control V. Go ahead and drag it up here. And let's go ahead and hit play. How to set up your account. So let's get started. That works out pretty well. Now, there's a quicker and easier way to do that. That was pretty easy, but let's make it even easier. Let's go ahead and highlight these two pieces, and let's hit the Z key to delete them. Why don't we just highlight both of these? Hit Control C to copy, and then Control V to paste. Drag and drop, and bada bing, bada boom. We just saved a few steps. Go ahead and zoom in, so Shift F, hit that a few times. I don't want this to go 10 seconds, so what we can do is we can highlight both of these clips by clicking and dragging your mouse and highlighting them both. Hover your mouse at the end of the clips until that green trim icon comes up. We're going to click with our mouse and drag. Started. And make it a little bit shorter for us. Let's make it a little bit longer. I think I went too much. And then what we'll do, come up here to the very end, cross dissolve up here in the effects panel. Going to drag and drop that on the ending. Let's make it longer. And cross dissolve, drag and drop it on the end of our light leaks. We're going to make it longer. And let's see how this feels. So let's get started. All right, that feels pretty good. Up your account. Fine tune it a little bit more. So let's get started. I feel like I don't want this to come up without the light leaks already starting to come up. So let's go ahead and just trim this one to where it's even with the light leaks. And let's highlight them both and click and drag them to the end of my clip. And let's see how this feels. And I'm going to show you how to set up your account. So let's get started. That's not too bad. What would it look like if we deleted this cross dissolve on our light leaks? And to do that, let me Control Z to undo it. I just highlighted the dissolve effect, hit the Z key to delete. Now let's see how this feels. And I'm going to show you how to set up your account. So let's get started. I think I like that a little bit better, so I think I'm going to stick with that. Okay, so what we've done is, if I can control my keyboard, Shift G to zoom out. We've basically replicated what we produced on the front end and moved it to the back end, and then we fine-tuned it to make it more of an outro, and with that we have an opening and a closing. In the next tutorial, it's going to be another short one, so cross your fingers for that. We are going to adjust our opening music and we're going to adjust our closing music to match the opening and closing graphics. See you in a little bit.